When you stop reading books, you start losing verbal dexterity, depth of thought, and imagination. A closed book is a closed mind. Don't ever stop reading. This quote resonates with Stoicism in a few ways. The Stoics valued knowledge, wisdom, and self improvement, and reading was seen as a key part of that. Here are some connections. The Stoics believed in developing inner strength and resilience. Reading broadens your perspective, it challenges your thoughts, and it helps you develop a stronger mind. Stoics like Epictetus and Seneca emphasized the importance of reflection and self examination. And reading exposes you to different ideas and experiences, helping you reflect on your own life and values. The quote's message about not stopping reading parallels Stoic ideas about staying engaged and active in life. The Stoics believed in embracing challenges and continually improving themselves. So, what do you think about the importance of reading in the personal growth? Come and tell us in the comment section below.